County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Deerfield, or 8 miles northeast of Stoughton, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Hold on, why didn't this go off?
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Edgerton, Cottage Grove, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Albion, Utica, Rockdale, and Busterville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ 80.